Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys are having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. Oh, we got some large insects out here running around. We've got these massive praying mantises. Hey, dude, don't be cutting down the trees out here with your butter knife claws. That's just some of my artwork. I'm just being goofy. I'm in a super good mood. There's something that makes me extra happy. Something super duper awesome. But enough of that, let's get to this project. So we got all of the vertical posts roughly laid out here, just so that I have something to look at and get my creative juices flowing. We're probably gonna go into town today and get some more lumber because this is all I have right now, just these 4x4 posts. But we have all 12 of them in place. They're just roughly placed. I'm gonna move all of them around eventually. And I know a lot of people like to use concrete, dig a hole and fill it with concrete. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not against concrete. I just really like the aesthetic look of the gabions. And since the rocks, they grow out here all year round, so we have a unlimited supply of rocks out here at the ranch. And yeah, we just use these gabion baskets, and they'll weigh over 1,000 pounds each easily. And if you're wondering how I keep the vertical posts from lifting up from the wind, you can just see the bottom here. I have these 4x4 pieces. They're 1 foot in length. They're all bolted to the bottom of this 4x4. So once you pile in all the rocks, that thing is not moving anywhere. And we just do that with all of them. These ones down here, I had smaller pieces, but they will do the same. So these down here, these are 4 foot, and those ones are 8 foot. So we're gonna move these in quite a bit too, because when I was measuring this out, I didn't take into account the angle. So what we really want to do is measure from the top of this post down to this post to get my depth here, because right now that's almost 20 feet and we only need like 10 and a half, 11 feet. So we'll get the tape out eventually and we'll measure from the top to the bottom here, and we'll pull these guys in, and that will give us a good angle on the solar array so that in the summertime it can capture lots of sunlight, and in the winter when the sun tracks across the sky, it goes lower down across the mountains here. So we'll have like a 50-50. I split the difference in the angle here for summer and winter. That way I don't have to do any kind of adjusting. It'll just be here and it'll do its thing. Plus it's quite a bit overkill for what I need, but I'm also doing this to plan for the future so that I have plenty of power going forward. And this ought to do the trick. If I have to, I'll build another one and we'll make it the same size and maybe put it over there. But for now, this should do a darn good job. It's pretty exciting to see. I put a lot of work into doing these kinds of projects, and it's very satisfying. I just finished putting these all together this afternoon, and it was pretty exciting, and then I had to carry them over here, place them in their rough positions. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm excited about this. We're gonna go back into town today and get some more lumber. Gotta take it easy on the lumber though. I might have to wait. I'm not gonna finish this project this month because of the cost of lumber, but we may be able to get some 4x6s and connect these pieces together, and then we're going to use 2x6s to do all the rest of the framing. And this thing will weigh well over 12,000 pounds, so there's no chance of the wind picking it up and moving it. But there's some of the progress for today, you guys. And then I'll show you guys another thing I was working on yesterday. Bought my first gas-powered chainsaw and had to play with it, so we tackled this monster mesquite bush over here, and we cut all the stuff that was at the bottom off of it so we can try to encourage the growth, to get it to grow vertical so we can have more shade out here. There's all the trimmings right there. Now when the sun starts to set, the ants will come out, and the ants will actually go through all these, and they remove all the leaves and put them back in their little nest underground. It's kind of cool. So we're going to leave these here for now and let the ants have all the leaves. Sort of like a helping nature out. The ants they don't bother me out here. They don't get inside the camper. But enough of that. We're gonna wrap today's video up, you guys. Things are super duper exciting around here. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in down below. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us are not here for a very long time, and a little bit of kindness will go a long way. So God bless you all, and peace.